Hello there, Escambia County. Do you have Google Form quizzes that you want your students to take in your Canvas course? If so, then stay tuned for this week's Tech Tip in a Flash. Get marked, get set, go. Converting Google Forms to Canvas new quizzes. Before we proceed, please note there are a few requirements for using GetMarked. You must agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, grant access to your Google account and your Google Forms data. This is necessary for the conversion process. So let's begin. Start by opening your Canvas course, go to Manage Subject, select GetMarked Quiz Importer from the sub-navigation, then click Open Content in a new tab. A new tab will open. Select Google Form. Agree. Choose your district email. Click Continue. Select the Google form that you would like to convert and then choose Select. You will want to preview to make sure that each question is the correct question type, that there are no broken images, and that each question has the correct answer selected. Once the form has finished converting, click View. At the top, it will show you the details of the test and also give you any warnings. You can change the question type. You can edit the question, save or discard your changes. You can also delete questions. Preview through the rest of the test, making sure there aren't any broken images or incorrect question type. If everything looks correct, then you want to click on the previous tab to go back to your conversion. Then click Success and select Export. Choose Canvas. You'll see that it will download to your computer. Navigate back to your Canvas course. Select Quizzes from the sub-navigation, then click Plus Quiz to create a new quiz. Give the quiz a title and complete the settings for this quiz. Once finished, click Build. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right-hand corner to select Import Content. Click Browse. Search for the Google Form QTI file that was downloaded from GetMarked and choose Open. Then click Import. Next, click Done. Now your quiz is in Canvas, so let's delete the question asking for the student's last name. Click Delete, then Remove Question. You can now modify the quiz as you like. View the remainder of the questions. You can add questions. Then, when you're finished, click Return in the top right-hand corner to exit the quiz. You may now select Publish if you are finished with the test. This brings us to the finish line. Thanks for watching, and please fill out our content request form so that we can make videos that are just for you. Also, check out the Canvas and Mastery Connect playbook in your Canvas course.